welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And we are going to the Disney outlet. I brought my brother with me. Yep, that's his hand, yep. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. It's in Camarillo. What would you say, like an hour and a half away from Disney?
Without traffic.
Without traffic.
3 hours of traffic.
Bunch of sweatshirts. This one's kind of cool. $30, 25% off. $30 with 25% off. That's not bad. Chewbacca bag. That's funny. Spirit jersey. $55 with 25% off. Cloud City. And then Disneyland. I don't know this print. It's interesting. I don't know if I like it. These are like these soft little pants. They're $30 with 25% off. Kind of like these though. It's just like Peter Pan, I think. I don't know if it's worth $30. Loki. These are on sale. Blvd. National Geographic. Oh, cute. They have Disney Cruise Line. Bunch of hats. Blvd 3. It's 26. And then there's some Mickey. Some LA. Some Shang-Chi. Kid ones. Plushies are 25% off. So $10. $6 for 25% off. $4. The yum is cute. Or $13 Halloween stuff. $12. How much is the coat? Do you know? 20 with 20% off, and same as the hoodie. Christmas, $12. I don't know this one. Disney Cruise Line. I don't use these though. I think of orange juice a little bit.
Why?
So there's these little plates, 17. Ooh, $10. That's not bad. Cake holder.
There's a symbol there, Shirley, but I can't tell what it is. What tin Shirley it is?
$11. 25% off. Oh, the Alice collection's already here. I feel like it just came out. There's pillows. The plates are $33. 20. Ooh, the cake stand. 20. Those are kind of cute. For 20. Tapestry. More holiday shirts. $11. Mickey, $11. Mary, $11. And then the key. Ooh, a mystery key. $7. That's not bad actually. With 20% off. Ornaments are 25% off. Oh, for real? There's Merida and Princess Anna. Princess and the Frog? No? You're a tough seller. Earrings.
Do you have to wear masks?
Where? Here? Oh, no. Nowhere. Place, yeah. What do you think of this one? It's a magic band.
What does that mean?
So you go to Disney World and you're beep, beep. It's like your key in. Misfit Love. National Button Day. Door. Who's this? I don't know.
Ray, huh?
Oh, is it? Rescue Rangers? Do people like Rescue Rangers?
Yeah.
Do you?
I don't even know what that is.
Season's greetings.
Nope.
What's this
These
one?
are the Groothies.
Oh, Groothies. Let's make it cuter. And then some ducks and some keychains. What's this, wallet?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, Hatbox Ghost.
What is it? What's Hatbox?
From Haunted Mansion ride.
What is this a button for?
It's a wallet. T-shirts are $14. That's not bad. And kids are 10. We have wishables here.
Yeah, no
You see how
dice.
touched they are?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, pants. Huh?
Lounge pants.
Yeah. What do you do all day? You lounge.
Or they wear shorts.
There was toys on sale too for 25% off. A lot of Esmeraldas, kid outfits. Everyone, I hope you liked the little walkthroughs through the Disney outlets near my house and about an hour away from Disneyland. We love those Disney outlets and I'm hoping that nothing happens to them because here in Arizona, we have no stores. So the only time I get to go to an actual Disney store is if I go to World of Disney, whenever I go to the parks, or the Disney outlet near my parents' house. So I had a blast. It's been kind of rough the last couple times I've been there. Like every month I check it out and it's been a little bit rough. And finally I went during President's Day and they had the extra, I want to say 25 or 20% off as you saw in the video. So I did go a little bit crazy and I did have a little bit of credit, like store merchandise. So I did, you know, use that. Obviously I paid more than that, but I wanted to show you what I ended up getting now that you got to see some of the merchandise there. So let's start with the first one so I don't take too much time. So the first thing I got is, you probably saw in the video, I haven't edited that part, so that's why I'm saying probably. So it is this Hocus Pocus button shirt. It's really, really cute. It is from her universe, so it's just, it has a little cat right there. I love the cat. I finally got to watch the movie as an adult again, and the cat's awesome. So, and then in the back, it has the 3 sisters, and it's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. Now, they did have different sizes. The thing about outlets, and I'm sure it's the same everywhere, and even like the merchandise stores in Florida, sizes are weird. So they have like a bunch of extra smalls or a bunch of larges or whatever they had left in the stock. So they had, I think, a lot of extra smalls, a couple mediums and a couple larges. I actually ended up getting the 3XL, and I know that sounds crazy, but hear me out. This fabric, it's like rayon fabric. It always shrinks on me because I am not careful with my washing, and so yeah, so I just got a very, very large one so that like when I shrink it, it's fine. And even right now, it still looks really good. Like I feel like the sizing is just small. I'm sure it's supposed to be like a crop, but I didn't want it as a crop necessarily. So I did get in an extra or 3XL, but I think it was worth the money because it's cute and I think it's gonna last me longer than like a normal size would. And this Hocus Pocus shirt, I believe, was about $15, or maybe $12, somewhere around there. So great purchase. It didn't have the ticket, so otherwise I would have told you. All right, the next thing that I got that I was so excited about is this Halloween hoodie. You had to have seen this in another one of my videos. If you're new here, maybe you didn't, but I did have a haul from Shop Disney and I bought this hoodie, but I bought it in an extra large, and it fit too big and it was just too similar to one that I already had from the previous year. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna return it. And that's kind of where the merchandise card came from, so I'm gonna return it. So I ended up returning it and it was that. But then it was there at the outlets, and this is a size small and it's actually the perfect size. It's so weird, I know, but perfect size. I love the little sides, I love the shoulders. I've shown this before. One second, I'm about to choke a little bit. Okay. I've shown this before, so I'm not gonna go into detail because it has it in my channel. It's actually an extra small, so yeah, whatever. So it was $20, but let's say it was about $15 with the 20% off. So much better. I had paid full price when I first bought it because I really like their hoodies. I had paid $55 originally, so excited about this. The next shirt I got that I'm probably gonna return because I didn't like the way it fit. It reminded me of when I was younger and I had a lot of these types of shirts, but it's this Aurora. I want to say it's Aurora. It says we met before, and it has the castle, really cute. And then in the back, it has like an embroidered, like flower petal. It was $18, so it ended up being like $13 or so. It's fine, it fits fine. This was one that they only had smalls, like all of them were small, all of them, all the SKUs were small. So it fits fine, but it's just a little see-through and it's not like extremely flattering. So I'm just like, I feel like I could find something better. So she's probably gonna be a return when we get to Disneyland in about a week. Hey, okay, I'm gonna keep going, and then the rest is not apparel anymore. So this is awesome. I'm obviously going in the order that I find it. So I ended up getting the countdown calendar for Halloween. Again, I know we're so far away from Halloween. But it was $20 with 25% off. It ended up being like $15. I couldn't pass it. So it's just like pumpkins in the back. And then you can change the little like knobs to whatever days you want. And it has Mickey, Minnie, and Figaro. I want to say it's Figaro, but I don't know if Mickey and Minnie have their own cat. I guess you'll have to let me know. But I just couldn't pass it. It was just too awesome. Originally $50. I ended up paying $15. Pretty proud of this one. The next thing I have are little keychain things. Give me 1 second. So I have this patched letter D from Disneyland. I think this is the Disneyland D. I didn't know Disneyland and Disney World had a different D until like very, very recently. Yeah, I think this is this Disneyland one. I had seen this before in my previous trips to the outlets. It was originally $10 at the parks, and then it went down to $7, and then $6, and then finally $3, and then with 35% off, I was like, I'll just buy it now. Like, who knows? I don't think it'll be here the next time, because by then it's gonna be too cheap, and it's probably gonna be like bought so fast. The next thing I have is a bag charm. I don't know when these came out. I want to say December of 2020, before the stores closed. I haven't seen them, but again, I haven't been to stores in a while. But it is this Coco Keychain. It's very, very cute. Or Coco bag charm, I guess you want to call it. I love Coco. I was so excited when I saw this. Originally, it was $13. At the Disney outlet, it was $8, and then take off 25% off. Not a bad deal at all. So that's one of the charms that I got. The other charm that I got is so extra and so cute. Is a little Pooh Bear. Look how cute. So cute. I don't know where I want to put him because I don't want him to get dirty. He does have an extra charm that says honey. Originally, he was also $15. Oh, so cute. At the outlets, he was $5. Take off the 25% off. So cute. I can't wait. I don't know where I want to put him because I don't want him to get dirty. So I don't think I'll put him in a park bag. So maybe a work bag? Maybe? I don't know. Okay, and then the last thing that I have is another Halloween item. Are we surprised? And this one is a candle, and it smells really great. Another thing I wanted to buy, we went to Oogie Boogie Bash, and there's videos with my tips on in my link. And so I almost bought it there, and then I didn't because I was like, I have so many candles and I get so dizzy. I don't know if it's just me, but some scents make me so dizzy. So I just did. I passed on it. It was originally $25. It's also a lot for a candle if you think about it. It says trick or treat on one side, and then on the other side it says happy Halloween with the little ghosts with the hats. So it's really, really cute. It smells like pumpkin. Here, take a whiff, take a whiff. But it smells really, really good. I like the smell of pumpkin. I hate pumpkin. I hate pumpkin muffins, pumpkin pie, pumpkin candy, pumpkin... I don't like pumpkin, but I like the pumpkin scent. Is that just me? Anybody else like that? Anyways, in the outlets, this was $8. Take the 25% off. And yeah, it was overall a great haul. For everything, I ended up paying $80. So really, really great because those hoodies alone would have put me up there. So I was really pleased with it. Let me know if you want me to do more videos about the outlets. Let me know if you want me to do a more full walkthrough where I like go through each section and do it, because I just never know what people want to see. I personally like just seeing all of it when I'm like at home because I have nothing else to do and I like to window shop. But let me know what you want to see. I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked the little walkthrough. Don't forget to subscribe. It helps out my channel. You get to see some of those videos from before and the coming videos, because we do have trips planned for Disneyland and Disney World soon, and I'm so excited. I hope you have a magical day, and until next time, adios.